That's called sabzi, which is a combination of different fresh herbs: tarragon, coriander, mint, and radish. So the traditional way of eating sabzi is with paneer, means cheese, and noon. So we usually put cheese on top of the bread. You need to separate the leaves.
Quite laborious.
Yeah, it's very mint, coriander, all of them. So, and then roll it.
This is an Iranian sandwich.
Yeah. So, here you are.
Have you been to Iran before?
Never.
But you've eaten Iranian food before?
Never.
Just a natural technique.
What's the verdict?
Yeah, I must go.
But everything's marinated.
I was going to say, it looks like it.
Yeah.
What's it marinated in?
I cannot tell you the whole
Is it
ingredient.
secret?
Generally, it's kind of saffron. Saffron is a very, very traditional
Which gives it the lovely yellow colour.
yellow, and the flavor is very lovely. And also yogurt, salt, pepper, this sort of thing helps the meat be very tender and tasty.
The meat was really tender, packed full of flavour.